We were able to recreate a home that feels timeless, feels connected, very sophisticated.
My design team has been absolutely on the spot.
Today we are in Dubai, in Al Warqa area. The villa is approximately 6,500 square feet for a family of 6. The client had a very clear vision in mind from the very beginning of this process. They wanted a house that feels elegant, timeless, but also very personal. This was mainly a renovation. It was not a new build. We had to keep in mind the overall structural layout that was already existing. But this helped us actually to reimagine and also redesign every areas, every spaces, and also to enhance the flow between one room to another. Our approach was to keep a calm palette and a subtle design because we wanted their artwork to be the main piece. So the artwork would do the talking, would be the feature of the home and the feature of the areas that they were placed in. For the FF&E process, we basically kind of follow what the client already gave us as a guideline. They are really appreciating of the made in Italy and craftsmanship, so we had to keep in mind these sort of brands like Polyform or Poltrona Frau or Giorgetti.
We visited a lot of places. We attended different furniture exhibitions, the famous one in Milan, and we just fell in love with Italian brands. Their furnitures are just above every other design.
We didn't want either the design or the piece of furniture to stand out. Rather, we wanted these elements to work together.
Family members are less than 15 minutes away. You want to start living in areas where you can get to your close family members.
The family was a very important core detail to keep in consideration. This is also the main reason why we developed the outdoor majlis, and it's actually just facing the formal majlis, so even if it's outdoor, it's really connected to home.
Talk a little bit of our old traditional majlises. They were nice. They were there at that particular time, but I wanted something more modern, colorful.
It's a place where they could hang out together, where they can bring people over. A space that grew with the family and also with their tradition. A space that feels more calm, but at the same time still have that values of bringing people together. In regards of the outdoor areas, they were mainly developed for the lifestyle of the family. There is mainly sitting areas, some body of water, and mainly like the bigger spaces where you have this big gathering space that again celebrates this family connection.